Class ninth, Subject English, Chapter 1.5 The Necklace, Part 1 English Workshop. Question 1. Read each of the following sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. A. Look, here's something for you. Answer. Matilda's husband said to Matilde. B. Why? The dress you go to the theatre in. Answer. Matilde's husband said to Matilde. C. I would rather not go to the party. Answer. Matilde said to her husband. D. Choose my dear. Answer. Madame Forestier said this to Matilde. E. You have nothing else. Answer. Matilde said this to Madame Forestier. F. Would you lend me this? Just this. Answer. Matilde said this to Madame Forestier. G. What? How? That's impossible. Answer. Matilde's husband said this to Matilde. Question 2. Read the conversation in the story aloud using proper intonation. This question solve with your opinions. Question 3. Write a few lines about what Matilde had and what she dreamed about. Answer. Matilde had beauty, prettiness, and charm. She had shabby and poorly furnished house. Her husband was minor official at the Ministry of Education. She dreamed about luxurious life, a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms, rich dresses and jewels. She longed for recognition, to be known, understood, and loved by all. She wished to be married to an aristocrat. Question 4. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Matilde. A. Matilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Answer. She was not wrong to think so, because I think every woman, beautiful or not, want to marry a person who has a good position and wealth. B. Matilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Answer. Her thinking was not correct. Not everyone gets a luxurious life. She should have managed in whatever they were earning and lived a simple but happy life. C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer. Her feelings are wrong because it depends on the people who live in the house to keep the house clean, tidy, and beautiful with whatever furniture things they have got. D. Matilde wanted other people to envy her. Answer. Matilde's thought was wrong because happiness does not depend on making the people envy you. She wished that people would have admired her if she had rich dresses and jewels. E. Matilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer. Matilde did not care about the importance of invitation her husband had received. She was thinking only about the dress she would wear there. F. Matilde wanted a new dress for herself. Answer. Matilde wanted a new dress for herself only to selfishly corner her husband for extorting money from him to buy a new dress. Her thought was silly and unreasonable. G. Matilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Answer. Borrowing a diamond necklace was not a dire need of Matilde. She could have used flowers instead, but she wanted another woman's necklace to make a show of her beauty. She did not understand that borrowing is begging. H. Matilde lost her necklace. Answer. Matilde was so overwhelmed and captivated by her success that she was not aware of her responsibility of safekeeping the borrowed necklace carefully. She lost it only because of her carelessness. Question 5. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. Answer. Invitation. Mr. and Mrs. Nikhil Sharma request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the 16th wedding anniversary of their parent on Thursday, the 1st October 2020. Venue Amar Hall, Girgium, Mumbai 400004. Time 6 am to 10 am.